Welcome all of you friends. Again, it's Rayat Shikshan Samstha's RBNB College, Srirampur, and myself, Limkar Shubhangi Subhash. Today we are going to take here again the second part of the Big Data and Big Insight. So here it's your 12th English textbook, English Big Data, Big Insight. The text is related with information and technology, as well as text do not have the writer because it is related this today's age, and that's why it is not the writer given here. The writer is unknown here. Now the fourth point of ours here, it is related with banking, then finance and trading. So here big data is related or played here a big role in banking as well as finance and trading. So with the help of the big data analytics, the investment patterns of the people can be studied. So the suitable plans of the banks we can get through this big data. There are lots of apps available on our mobile phone, and through these lots of apps on our mobile phone we can get there the information, updated information about our bank there. So suitable plans of the banks we can get here very easily. So I am going to give you here one example related with this. So earlier what happened, we are especially went to the bank for the shorter plan, long term plan and the short term plan. But now on the apps we can available all these short-term plans and short-term plans and long-term plans there. So if you want to go the traveling at that time, these apps shows us the bank's short-term plans, and when we want to save money for the planning for the future of our children, that's also the long-term plan also shown by these apps. So with the help of these big analytics we can get this information very easily. Not only here this much use of the bank here, but also there are lots of uses of the big data, especially to predict and prevent cyber crimes, card fraud detections, then archival of adult trails, as well as the missed transactions also. There is one program we can get throughout this the missed transaction very accurately. This program name is the Securities Exchange Commission, that is named as here SEC. It is come under here trading, that is SEC. So with the help of this program we can get here the missed transaction there. Then there is again the second program where big data plays a lot of use of today, that is HFT, high frequency trading. Here big data algorithms are used to make trading decisions. Nowadays what happen, we are so much things buying and selling with the help of lots of apps, so we can get a decision in split seconds there. So this much only about here banking, finance and trading. Now we are going towards here sports. What is about sports? So big data is also useful in the sports. So while watching sports matches, at that time what happened, lots of so many permutations as well as combinations of statistical analysis we can get on television as well as on radio also, on our mobile apps also. So this large amount of data has been created over a period of time, from the recording of matches, then training sessions and workouts also. Then the data enables a sports person to study his performance, not only of his to study his performance, but as well as to create the team spirit as well as of the other players worldwide also. So it has tremendously helped in improving individual as well as team performance. So the sensors are embedded in the sports equipment, help to understand our game from close quarters there. That's why we can get here, take an example of it. If we want to get the information about Sachin Tendulkar's playing in cricket, at that time we can get nowadays also the whatever the matches he had been played in earlier years, that we can get the information, very minute information we can get throughout the big data here. So video analytics help us to see each and every performance very minutely here. So this is the use of here big data in sports. Now we are going towards here advertising. So in advertising also big data plays a very important role. So be it a Facebook, be it a Google, be it a Twitter or any other online giant, all keep a track of the user behavior and transactions. So the internet giants provide a great deal of data about people to the advertisers so that they can run targeted campaigns there. So take an example of it, that Google, when you target people based on clicks, you will get different results, and when you create a campaign for leads, then you will get different results. So all this is made possible because of only big data. Now here the next point we are going to take here, it is about entertainment and media. So big data also here very useful in entertainment and media because big data focuses on targeting people with the right content at the right time. So based on your past views and your behavior online, you will be shown different recommendations there. So this technique is popularly used by nowadays Netflix and YouTube there to increase engagement and drive more revenues. So you can, I am giving you one of the example here, that nowadays we are in prison, I am calling that, because of COVID-19. We are locked down at our home, and at that time we are watching on DD National lots of serials there, especially of God and Goddesses. So between them, among all those serials, we are watching there one of the most favorite serial, that Lord Krishna. And when we are watching this serial, at that time, meanwhile advertisement of that Amul brand especially shown meanwhile at the break of that serial. So it is also the one of the greatest amount the advertiser will get there, and this attachment also shown to that Lord Krishna, the Amul brands, all that lassi, makhan, all these are related to, or the curd, all these are related to Lord Krishna, and automatically people also get or attracted or gets information about Amul brand, as well as they are able to attract these all products. So this kind of because of this kind TRP also increase of the television, as well as the great amount or the great revenues will get the advertiser. So this is the use of big data in entertainment and media. Now last one topic here is education industry. So big data has inundated the education industry. It has transformed it in leaps and bounds. Now we have information about the patterns, students as well as their study patterns, and we can now prepare customized and dynamic learning programs according to the need of an individual student. So every student's comprehension level is different. So there are all types of students. So we can have this kind of information on our app there, available there. So the course material can now be designed catering to different requirements of the students. Big data makes it convenient to understand their choices, their difficulties, information regarding various courses and their specialities. We also have an access to the results. So we can understand the strengths of the student, the weaknesses of the students, and we can form these kinds of patterns according to these strengths and weaknesses of the student. So this will definitely help or guides the students regarding the best career for him based on his mental makeup and abilities. So these all having the use of big data, especially in education and industry. So we have lots of uses of big data especially in scientific research also, understanding geographical phenomena, then helping in smooth working of the government machinery. So it is a genie in our hands, so it's depend upon us that how we are going to use it. Make use of very best, and it's after all it's the we want to take the advantages of this thing which is given to us. Nowadays it's the age of information and technology. May this video will help you to understand this lesson, this pros, big data and big insight. Thank you friends.